90% of traders and investors ignore the PE ratio, and that's exactly why you can use it to spot opportunities they miss. Let me show you how in under 5 minutes. But alright, so let's begin here by answering the key question: what is the PE ratio? Well, the PE ratio basically stands for price to earnings. And in simple terms, it shows how much investors are paying for each $1 of a company's earnings. So for example, if a stock costs $10 and the earnings are $1 per share, then we will have a PE ratio of 10. And if this went a bit too quickly, don't worry, we will talk more about the exact calculation soon. But for now, you need to know that this ratio is used to quickly check if a stock looks expensive or if it's perhaps a buying opportunity and is looking cheap. So now let's take a look at how to calculate the PE ratio. And the formula here for the PE ratio is pretty straightforward. You take the price per share and you divide it with the earnings per share. And there are many different tools you can use to find all the metrics you need to know about companies. I personally use a tool called InvestingPro. And to find the numbers in InvestingPro, you can simply search for the company, like for example, Nvidia, and then you navigate over here to financials and you will have all the financial data you need to know. Or if you want to look up the PE ratio directly, you can go here to Data Explorer. You can once again simply search for the company, like for example, Tesla, and then you can just search for PE ratio right here, and you can see the PE ratio. But let's take a look at a quick example. If we have a stock that costs $50 and the earnings per share is $5, then the PE ratio would simply be 50 divided by 5, which is equal to 10. But right, so now then, why is the PE ratio important? Well, the PE ratio is a good metric that helps you value a stock. And it's also an easy way to compare different companies with each other. So perhaps if you list up 10 different stocks, the PE ratio can give you a quick overview of how expensive these stocks are compared to each other. And what the PE ratio also tells you is it tells you what the market expects about a company's future. Because a high PE ratio, meaning that the company right now is expensive, usually indicates high expectations and fast growth. So for example, a company like Tesla that we talked about earlier has a super high PE ratio because people, the market thinks that Tesla will perform very well in the future. So a lot of that is already priced in. While a low PE ratio generally means lower expectations and that it might be undervalued right now. But right, guys, so now I want to show you a PE ratio, a simple PE ratio calculator that you can use to quickly, put in a stock price, put in the earnings per share, and see if the PE ratio is high, low, or medium. So let's say that we have a stock. You can choose whatever, $50 or $100. But let's choose that the stock price is $100 and that the earnings per share, let's start here with 15. You can see that if the stock price is 100 and the earnings per share is 15, we will get a PE ratio of 6.67, which is a low PE ratio. As you can see, this PE ratio suggests that the stock might be undervalued or that the company is facing challenges. So this is definitely worth investigating further. But if we instead say that this company earns much less, let's say that it has an earnings per share of only 1, then you can see that the PE ratio changes to 100, and this PE ratio is very high. Last but definitely not least, I want to jump back here into InvestingPro. This was the tool we used earlier because I do just want to give a big shout out to InvestingPro because it has so many other features as well. For example, it has an AI that you can ask basically anything when it comes to trading and investing. And they also have pre-made AI trading strategies. So if you go to ProPix AI right here, you can see that it, for example, has an AI trading strategy called IT15 with a total return of 2000%. So that is very impressive. And it has lots of other pre-made strategies as well. And if you guys want to get started with Investing Pro, I actually do have a special Investing Pro link for all viewers, and you can get up to 55% off by using that link. So consider checking Investing Pro out. And now guys, if you're ready to dive deeper into investing, I highly recommend to check out this video next. This is my full course right here on YouTube on fundamental analysis.